Hi, welcome to our tutorial on how to join a bounty. First, head over to app.bpro.network. Then, you will have to connect your wallet on the top right corner. We recommend using MetaMask since it is compatible with all our chains. That said, after connecting your wallet, you are able to view and choose the network you would like to join a bounty in. Secondly, please make sure you also connect your GitHub account on your profile settings. Only then you will be eligible to start working on a bounty. That said, as you scroll down, you are able to see all the progress and comments that were made. Finally, you just need to fork the repository and start working. Are you ready to build the future of development? Join our Discord community or head over to bpro.network to learn more. Links will be in the description.